Hello guys, and welcome back to another Harry Potter unboxing video. And here we have the Geek Wizardry subscription. And let's just get to the unboxing. Okay, alright, so first off we have another tea like usual. We usually get teas in every box. It's called liquid luck, so hopefully I get some luck after sipping on this tea. Next up we have a box. This looks very interesting and it says MT magical treats. So it looks like there's a treat in here. Hopefully it's not melted, because last time I got a chocolate frog and it was all melted. I don't know why they would send chocolate. Oh, it says it's butterscotch beer fudge. Nice. Oh yeah, so it's just some butterscotch. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. Nice. Next up, I have so much of this going on. I can't pull the stuff out. Next up we have liquid luck. So it looks like this is very liquid luck inspired. This box is. Let's see. So, oh, this is so cool. So it's like a little container of the liquid luck. It's so cute. It has glitter in it. This is so cute. So this is supposed to be the liquid luck. I'm gonna add this to my little shelf of Harry Potter stuff. This is so cute. This is so cool to have as a little side piece on my bookshelf. Next up, oh, this is cute. Oh, this is "You're a wizard." I'm a wizard. I'm a what? I can't be a wizard. I mean, I'm just Harry. Just Harry. Yeah. So it says "You're a wizard," and it looks like it's a necklace. So it's a necklace, and it has an H, and then it has like a little lightning bolt. This is cute. I really like this. Next up, oh, we just have a paper that says "Packed with love and care by David." Thank you, David, for packing my box. Next up, digging around, we have a shirt. So a shirt like we always get, and okay, it looks like it's a Death Eater inspired shirt. It looks like it's the Death Eater symbol. It looks like, and then we have like serpents on the side. So yeah, I think it's a Death Eater symbol or something. Alright, next. Oh, there's too much going on. What is this? Oh, we have another wand. But it's not a character wand. It's one of their own created wands that they make. And it's called Nathair wand. Let's see what this wand looks like. Oh, this is a really nice wand. It's like a wand, and then it has like a serpent twirling around it. I really like this wand. It would have been, this is a really cool wand, but it would have felt more connection if this was actually a character's wand. But still, it's a really well crafted wand. Nice. Like it. Really? This is too much. I don't want to leave a mess. Oh, we have a Geeker scratcher. So let's see if I won anything this month. If I could scratch it. No win. Better luck next time. Well, that is rude. Next up, oh, we have our letter, but we're gonna save that till the end. And lastly, oh, that's it. So that is it. Here we have a poster. Oh, this is so cute. It has a poster of like all the like the popular wands. So first we have the Elder wand, which is Albus Dumbledore's wand, and then we have Harry Potter's wand, Hermione Granger's, Ron Weasley, and then Neville Longbottom's wand. Then we have Ginny Weasley's, and then we have McGonagall's wand, and then we have Luna Lovegood's wand. Cute. And then we have Voldemort's wand, Severus Snape's wand, and then Bellatrix Lestrange. I really like Bellatrix's wand. It's like bended. Okay, so yeah, that is it. Now time to open this bad boy. Let's see if I made it in the YouTube spotlight this month. Okay. So we have an exclusive Dark Arts t-shirt. We got that. We have an exclusive unique wand. We got that. Liquid Luck tea. We got that. Wizardry necklace. We got that. Butterscotch fudge. We got that. Liquid Luck vial. We got that. And then we got the print. So we go. Okay. And the YouTube spotlight is not me. Yay. Alright, so yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Harry Potter unboxing, which is most likely gonna be my last one. Well, I still have one more, which is the Loot Crate one, because I did get the Loot Crate one again. But yeah, so yeah, that is it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, then obviously give this video a thumbs up. Or if you're new on this side of the internet, or if you guys haven't already, then you guys should definitely subscribe to my channel, because, you know, why not? My videos can be cool sometimes. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and like always, see you guys next time.